Hello, this is Crafty Andy, and as you were seeing here, these are the pieces for my Swift, which I have a link in my blog, and it's very easy to be made, and I'm just getting it ready to be set so that I can dye it. Then we're going to do another video where you can see how I assemble it, but right now I'm gonna give you a brief look what it looks like, right? This is very simple to be done. It can be done with you can ask people at the store to cut these things for you. So these are the pegs. So you will string your yarn around and you can have different kinds of things. So once I have it painted, I will show it back to you. Until then, goodbye.